I recall listening to the radio when Singer won his Nobel Prize. And for some reason, it sort of sunk in. I mean, with all the other distractions you have in life, why on earth that particular news item should sink in, I don't really know, but it did. And when, as a student, graduate student, I was in New York, you know, the place makes the opportunity, and that was when, you know, that memory stirred again, and it was going, well, you know, you're really, you know, having been out in the boonies, and you've had this pretty good life so far, and never really had to think about, you know, where you came from, what you are, what you want to be, etc. And here you are now in New York City, and you know, this is, in American terms, I guess, ground zero for Jewish culture and everything. And so that was really the moment, you know, where the light bulb went off, and it was time to start investing. And I went one day down to the bookstore, found my Weinreich primer on Yiddish, and the rest, as they say, is history.